Hey YouTube, welcome back. It's JT, the Firepit guy. On the last episode, we met with Ron, the owner of Mountain Cowboy Brewing Company, and we learned all about how he started the business and how they developed and their beers and all kinds of great information. But today we're going to focus on what we do best, which is fire pits. So sit back and enjoy.
We're talking about fire pits. We got a beautiful fire pit here. You are the one that actually built this fire pit, is that correct?
I did build the fire pit, yeah.
Tell me about the build process.
My wife and I were on a little mini vacation to Devil's Thumb Ranch up in Winter Park, Tabernash area.
Yeah.
And we sat out by a fire pit, and she said, I like that. So I took a couple pictures of it and tried my best to make something that looked similar. We started out and built I saw in your last actual video, cinder blocks on the inside.
Yep.
And then faced them with the stone on the outside.
Okay.
And then I got flagstone caps from Colorado Landscape Materials over in Longmont, cut them into fit. I had to do the math about 6 times to make sure that the wedges cut right.
No, you did an awesome job. Or they did an awesome job cutting them.
That's
not easy cutting them with those little pie shapes.
Yeah.
Did you do the log?
He did the log. That's his thing.
That's our business. Yeah. So in the whole design and build, what was your biggest challenge?
The gas line is usually the biggest challenge. So it's a 2-inch gas line. This is an old building, so we had to refurbish some of the gas lines coming to the building, and then make sure that we had enough flow coming to this thing to make it look like it does.
Did you have any plumber or a gas guy come and look at your gas line and make sure you had enough heat to use and have enough flame for not only this but the restaurant?
Yeah, so it's the same guy that plumbed the whole restaurant and did all the gas for the restaurant and the brewery. Did this as well for us.
Okay.
We got lucky because this was a vacant lot at the time, so we were able to just trench in here and not have to dig up any trees. So that part was relatively easy. And we put in a grease trap for the restaurant back behind the fence, and so while we were excavating for that, we were able to trench in and make sure that we got this ready to go.
Anything that you did out here, in regards to the fire pit, that you changed?
That's a good question. I think I would actually at this point. Good. We like the space out here. We like what it's doing. We're going to do events out here. We've got a couple weeks. We've got our Welcome to Summer party going on out here. We're going to bring people out. We're going to have a cornhole tournament. We're going to do movies on the wall over here during the summer. And we're going to grow hops. These bowls on both sides. So this whole thing will be kind of covered with hops on both sides. And the fire pit just really adds some elegance to it, and obviously makes it comfortable to sit out here on a night.
How often do people sit out here? It's kind of early.
Yeah, so we opened in the dead of winter, but people are really starting to catch on to this. It's kind of cool for us because when you come into our parking lot or when you come into the entrance, if this is going, people can see it when they're coming in. And so a lot of people make comments like, well, I can't wait to sit out there. So I think we're just on the verge of seeing a lot more people kind of hanging out.
Yeah. When they sit out here, do they make comments about the fire pit itself?
Yeah, everyone seems to love sitting around it, and we actually serve right now in the wintertime. We serve tableside s'mores inside the restaurant, so it's a platter and a little hibachi grill, and you can cook your marshmallows. In the summertime, we'll actually sell the packages so that they can bring them out and do s'mores out here. So that'll be fun too.
Do you turn the flame down at all when you do s'mores, or you just leave it like that?
No, I think it's big enough, and the flame's low enough on the outsides that I think it's fine.
Sure.
I haven't seen any issues with that.
As far as business goes, have you seen it? I know it's still kind of early in the season, but have you seen the business benefit to having more seating, or people? Do they sit out here longer than they?
Absolutely, yeah. It'll bring people in, and they'll just sit out here longer. So hopefully, when he finishes his beer, he'll be excited about having another one.
No worries. Hey, this has been great, man. I appreciate your time.
My pleasure.
I love what you've done out here.
I appreciate what you did for us here.
And yeah, as far as the steel logs go, obviously that's part of our bread and butter. That's how we ended up, being up here drinking beer with Ron. But aside from that, it's a beautiful fire pit, and that's what we love to do. We love to talk about fire. So
Very good.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Exactly. We walked around the corner, and we were here last weekend for the first time. And one of your bartenders mentioned the whole beer garden thing, but when we walked around the corner, I was like, wow, look at that fire pit. We got to go sit out there. It's awesome.
Yeah.
Get it. Tell me when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Can you wave? Can you wave hi? Hi. Oh my gosh, she's so cute.
There's everybody kind of hanging out outside. Fire pit is kind of the focal point here. It's all good, man. People being outside, heat source around, community, swapping stories, drinking beers.
Anyway, hey, you guys know what to do.
Spark your flame, share your stove.
Cheers.